Not in my parish, a tough stance from Spanish Town Mayor Norman Scott in response to the controversial rude boy billboard that has persons asking how did it pass the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation's approval process. But Mayor Scott says a copy of the overly sexualized billboard was in Spanish Town and he's now announced plans to prevent a recurrence. Krista Campbell tells us more.
The billboard that's left a bitter taste in the mouths of many who are asking how such an advertisement passed the approval process at the local authority. The Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation has insisted it did not approve the billboard, a copy of which was also erected in the old capital of Spanish Town in St. Catherine. Spanish Town Mayor Norman Scott said he got a text about the billboard last Saturday and told his planning director about it.
And he went and looked at the picture and thought that it was inappropriate. And as a result, the owners of the advertisement was given 24 hours to remove it.
He says the billboard was removed. But how did it get there in the first place? Mayor Scott says there is no screening process and advertisers usually just pay for a billboard, poster or flyer and it is mounted in the public. In what he's dubbed the billboard debacle, the mayor concedes that the inappropriate nature of the ad in question shows there is urgent need for stronger regulations and accountability in advertising practices.
When someone comes to the council to place an advertisement, they should show us at least some aspect as to what the advertising is going to be. And so we will be in a position where something of that debacle would never, ever be shown to the public again.
And so, at Thursday's monthly St. Catherine Municipal Corporation meeting, this announcement.
For formal advertising policy to ensure that proper standards, transparency, order, fairness in the management and placement of advertisement throughout the St. Catherine region. This policy will serve to protect the integrity of the municipality while promoting responsible and lawful advertising practices in the parish.
He says the advertising protocol should be in place by July this year. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.